Today we've come over to Nottingham to have a look at the trams, and we've been here a few times, but we wanted to have a look at the Wilkinson Street Park and Ride because that's where they have their depot. So we're gonna have a quick look around here and then get on the trams. Pretty big, isn't it?
Yeah.
All those roads of track. I bet a lot of the trams are out at the moment.
At this end, they would like load them onto trailers and take them off somewhere.
Yeah, because it looks like the tracks just end here, don't they? That's pretty cool, isn't it? And trams join and leave the route via a triangle junction, and the trams go into the depot. So from Wilkinson Street, we're going to head into the city because we wanted to have a look at the Broadmarsh bus station and see what's there. This is the original Great Central Railway viaduct. Crazy to think that this would have carried the railways back in the day. And this would have been the original Nottingham Tram stop. There's the stairs up. So the lift isn't working and we're gonna head up the original stairs. So this was the old station. You got platforms and then they stop and then you've got the proper station up the end there. You've got a bit of old and new here. We're back at Highbury Vale. Looks like we've got the tram to ourselves. And here is another view of the tram triangle junction at Wilkinson Street.